to realize that fighting for women's rights has too often become synonymous with men hating. For the report, feminism, by definition, is the belief that men and women should have equal rights and opportunities. It is the theory of political, economic, and social equality of society. I have started
Good morning, respected judges, respected principals, respected teachers, and to one and all present here. I am MEETEILOL from class 9A, and today I could be acting as Emma Watson, a famous English actress and a women's rights activist. So here it goes. I was appointed 6 months ago, and the more I have spoken about feminism, the more I have realized that fighting for women's rights has too often become synonymous with men hating. For the report, feminism by definition is the belief that men and women should have equal rights and opportunities. It is the theory of political, economic, and social equalities of the sexes. I have started questioning gender-based assumptions a long time ago, and I decided that I was a feminist, and this is uncomplicated to me. Apparently, I am among the ranks of women whose expressions are seen as too strong, too aggressive, isolating, and timid, unattractive even. Why has the word become such an uncomfortable one? I am from Britain, and I think it is right that I am paid the same as my male counterparts. I think it is right that I should be involved in the decisions and policies that will affect my life. I think it is right that, socially, I am afforded the same respect as a man, but sadly, I can say that there is no country in the world where all women can expect to receive these rights. These rights I consider to be human rights, but I am one of the lucky ones. My parents didn't love me less because I was born a daughter. My school didn't limit me because I was a girl. These influences with great gender equality ambassadors made me who I am today. They may not know that they are the great feminists that will change the world. We need more of those. And if you still hate the word, then it is not the word which is important. It is the idea and the ambition behind it. Men, gender equality is your issue too. I have seen men be fragile and insecure by distorted sense of what constitutes men's success. Men don't have the benefits and equality either. We don't often talk about men being imprisoned by gender stereotypes. When the men are free, things will also change for women naturally. If men don't have to be aggressive, women won't feel compelled to be submissive. If men don't have to be controlled, women won't have to be controlled. Both men and women should have equal rights and opportunities. Both men and women should feel free to be sensitive. Both men and women should feel free to be strong. It is time that we will positive gender on a spectrum instead of two-sex imposing idols. If we stop defining each other by what we are not and start defining ourselves for who we are, we all can be free. If not me, who? If not now, when? Thank you very, very much.
So well, that was again Emma Watson of gender equality. I guess we have many numbers of Emma Watson in SBGetwell school, and that was fantastic from Umita from Thangal House. We have of class 10. Class 10 Sivananda.
Firstly, may I humble respect to our short principal, Mami, vice principal, and to all my dear teachers, and as well as my dear brothers and sisters. I myself, Sivananda, of class 10A, representing the Thangal House, and I am going to present a speech about the treasures destinies which was given by Jawaharlal Nehru at the midnight of 14 August 1947. Now here's my speech. Long years ago we made a choice with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge. not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to live and freedom. When we step out from the old to the new, when an age and when thank you everyone.
Well, that was Sivananda, I think, as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India. Next.